Thank you, host. Oh, I cannot hear anything. 1 second. Okay. Can someone say something? Good morning. Tess, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, I cannot hear you. That is weird. No. 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 I can. Okay. Now, let's try this one more time. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, I can hear you now. All right. How's everything? Have you done this one yet? The exercise. This one is the exercise that I give it to you. It is about past simple tense, right? It is past simple tense. So, you know the drill, right? What is number one? What is it? What last weekend? This one is the
What
key.
did you did last weekend?
What did you, right? What did? That's correct. You using did. So we cut both out. This one. Okay, now think again. Past simple. What did they do with the tense after you put it in front of it? You switch back.
What
Right?
What did you do?
Yes. What did you do last weekend? Good. You switch back. Don't forget. Okay. Number two, the key word is wasn't. This one indicated the past, right? And the whole sentence say, the film wasn't very good. I
didn't enjoy.
right, didn't enjoy. Which one? One with the ed or no ed?
ED.
With ed.
The one without the ed. Remember, if it's a negative form, if it's questions or negative form, the tense always switch back. Okay, switch back from past tense to the base form of verb. Right? Remember now? Number three, the keyword is yesterday. That's indicated the past. Right? And something, a lot of money and expensive dress. That's all happened yesterday. So which one is it? 1, 2, 3, or 4?
Oh,
This one,
Three.
this one, it has to be number 3 because you don't need verb to be with it. You just need past verb, which is spend. It's already a main verb, so you don't need any helping verb. It's come from spend, right? And bought is the past tense of buy. Okay. Number 4, WH questions. Look at the answer. I went shopping. I went shopping is the activity, right? Activity is equally to
Were.
not where, because there's no place. The answer just telling you,
What? What?
just telling you activity. So what did you do yesterday? Okay. Next one. Number 5, the keyword is yesterday, telling you about the past. So we cut both of these out because it's a present, right?
How was?
How was?
And yes, how was, oh, sorry. Not how was, look, get. Get is the main verb, right? Get is the main verb. The answer just want to know by taxi, by car, by train, etc. How did, right? How did your friend get to the airport yesterday? Because get is the main verb. Did is the helping verb. Understand? Number 6. Where, what is it?
Did.
Good. Where did, right? We cut both these out. We got 2. Which one? 1 or 2?
What?
Are you sure this is the questions? Once you switch it back, right? How, where did you friends go after school, right? If it's questions, remember, they switch back from went to go. Number 7, something Tom yesterday. Another past simple indicator. So what should you ask your friends if you want to know if you see Tom or not?
Did.
Where did you see Tom yesterday?
This one has to be did. Did you see Tom yesterday? You cannot use were with it. Because if you're using were, it has to be, remember, was or were always following with the ing, and this one must have been the past continuous tense, right? But for this case, there's no ing, that's why it's wrong. Also, this one indicator of past simple indicator, yesterday, right? Okay, next one, number 8. We got a lot of yesterday as a keyword. So what do you say? My father, what is it?
Visit. Number 1.
My father, good, visited. Number 1, right? This one, you have to pronounce the et behind it after the T or the D verb. Visited. My father visited my grandparents yesterday. Okay, this one is a little bit tricky. Remember, I taught you like last semester about when to not use did, right? For example,
Who did paint Mona Lisa?
no,
Leonardo da Vinci
no,
paint.
not really. Okay, so listen carefully. Okay, who phoned me yesterday and who, sorry, the pen. Okay, who did you phone yesterday? Emily, listen to this too. It's important. Okay, this one, two sentences between who phoned me yesterday and who did you phone yesterday. They both correct grammar. They're both correct. However, this one has no did, right? Just added the ed, just added the past tense of verb because who act as the subject of the sentence. It's the subject of the sentence. That is why. Who phoned me yesterday? That person do the action. But this one, who did you phone yesterday? This one, who is the object. Okay, who is the object? You is the subject. Understand? Same case, this one. Who? Mona Lisa. This person paint Mona Lisa. So it is the subject. That's why the answer is 4. Who painted Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci painted it. Understand? This one, same thing as number 9. This person broke the window. He does all the action. So what is the best answer? 1, 2, 3, or 4? This one is 2, right? Who broke this window? Very good. We don't use did, right? We don't use did since who is the subject of the sentence. Number 11. Phone as a verb, not a noun. So which one is the best answer? Who, something, you phoned last night. What is it?
It.
Yes. Who did you phone last night? Good job. Number 12. This one is to test you how to do the short answer. Okay. Did you clean the car? Look at the question. Start with that. Always end it with that, right? So we cut this out. And which one is correct? Yes, I did. Or no,
Yes,
I
I
did.
did.
Yeah, yes, I did. Good. Next one, number 13. In the garden, look, the boy is also noun, right? The garden also nouns.
The boy was.
Good, was, because the sentence missing out the verb, right? It's missing verb. That's why we have to looking for the verb. And was is the only main verb that is correct. Did is not the main verb. It's just the helping verb, right? And the 3 of them is the main verb. However, 2 minutes ago is the past tense. So we cut is out. And the boy, only one boy, not two. That's why we're using was. Number 14. He didn't the question.
understood,
He didn't understand the questions.
กลับบ้านใครวะ
And the questions.
สับวันดิ
This one is,
ไว้โทรศัพท์เขาเต้น
what is it? Pure verb. Right after the negative form. Okay. Number 15. Look at this. Stay is the main verb. So what is the answer?
ดิด
Right. We need a helping verb, right? Did is a helping verb. So where did you stay in London? Okay. Number 16. In aquarium. Did is the past. What should you say? Oops, sorry. What should you say? What did they? Which one?
ซี
Yes, what did they see in the aquarium? Okay. Now, this one is the indicator of the tense. You see did. You instantly know that is the past simple. So which time indicator is the best fit for did?
yesterday
Yes, of course, yesterday, because now and at the moment is for what do you know? What kind of tense that use this time indicator? Present what? It's for present con, right? It has to be subject plus verb to be plus ing, remember? And then there's a time indicator say now or at the moment. All right, next one, number 18. One, two, three, or four. The one that is start with was, I will tell you is wrong. I cut 2 answer choice for you. There's only 2 left.
Did your brother begin?
Right. Did your brother begin to read the book? This one, verb 1, right? Yes, he did. And then this one, he read. He read, read, remember? That is why there are no S, because they're talking about the past. All right, next one. Oops, sorry. I forgot to erase all of this. All right, the last 2 questions. Which one is it? Which one should be the best answer? Like I told you, cut out was. It's not right. So it's left to number 1.
number one
Number
I-
1.
Sure, number 1 or? Are you sure it's number 1? question, remember? After question. After questions, the verb change, right? So the best answer is number 2. Did he like it? This one is wrong, see? It's no ed. It's no ed. And if it's in the exam, you just look at number 2 and just quickly move on to the next question, because you know it's sure that is the rest is wrong. You don't need to bother to read and waste your time on the next sentence, right? Did he like it? I don't know. I didn't ask his opinion about the book. The last one, a newspaper. And then there's but. It's a contradiction. Normally, what do you do? Contradiction. What do you do with the newspaper? And normally people would read, right? People would read a newspaper wherever, you know, when you have free time. So look here. A newspaper, countable or uncountable? A newspaper. What did it tell you? Is it countable or uncountable?
Countable.
It is countable now. And singular or plural? It is singular or plural? It is singular. Only one, right? Only one newspaper. So, do you remember the rules using there was and there were? Remember the rules using there, right? So, which one is it?
Number 3.
Very good. Number 3. There was a newspaper on the table, but I didn't read it. Actually, this answer is really easy for you to choose, right? Because it's all negative. So it's very easy. Okay, so I have gave out the whole 20 questions answer to you. Can you see it? Okay. Do you have any questions after this? Is it easy when I explain to you easier? Is it easier for you to understand? So I'd
Yeah.
like, right, okay, I'd like the rest of you who haven't done it, please go to Google Classroom. Only 15 people turn in. Where's the rest of you? Please do it. And I will see you again on Tuesday. And don't forget about the past simple tense. Okay, don't forget it, because we still need it in the activity book on the next lessons that you will have to learn about the past simple tense. How about that? Okay. All right, I will see you on Tuesday. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.